IEMs, or in-ear monitors, are considered a step above your traditional over-ear headphones or earbuds due to their complex nature and arguably better sound quality. Now, music being a whole other debate by itself, can you actually game with a pair of IEMs? And even if you do, should you switch from your trusty headphones to a pair of IEMs for a promise of tactical advantage or a better fit for prolonged usage? Well, let's find out. IEMs, or in-ear monitors, are on the rise in popularity due to their complex mechanism, unique designs, and a promise of arguably better sound quality. All that behind, even gamers are getting on the hype train, but they do have their reasons. First up, video games are all about immersion and act as an escape from reality. And IEMs provide a more immersive experience when compared to traditional audio accessories. With audio-visual immersion, noise cancellation is of utmost importance, and most gamers would spend a lot of money in order to get one of those high-quality, wireless active noise-canceling headphones. But IEMs can be cheaper and almost a better alternative since their passive noise cancellation works wonders for the price you'll be investing in them, allowing you to focus on your game and earn that winning clutch. Another core reason could be the overall comfort since the build quality, design language, and usage make these relatively comfortable to wear and perfect for hours-long gaming sessions. Best of all, you really don't have to stretch your budget so far to get one of these that you can't afford the game you've been saving up for in the first place. The thing is, an average gaming headphone such as the Razer Black Shark V2 will cost you around $179, whereas by spending just $50, you'll be able to bag yourself a brand new Linsol TIN Hi-Fi T2, which could arguably be a better alternative for a lot of people. For starters, the Linsol TIN Hi-Fi T2 will give you a far better and more comfortable wearing experience since the metal housing that comes with the IEM is fully hypoallergenic, while the balanced sound that emphasizes the upper frequency will prevent fatigue from long-term usage. The result? Nearly endless video game hours with no need to worry about the fatigue, allergies, or runtime. Check out the Shure Ionic 215 for instance. Differing from your traditional wireless earbuds, these IEMs are highly customizable and are joined to adapters. This customizability adds a layer of personalization to your buds which you won't get from any over-ear headphones or earbuds. This accessibility in terms of personalization can easily turn into a hobby itself, since you get more control over what you want and don't want to hear, combined with how it looks from the buds to the wires. Combinations of endless possibilities are not only possible but encouraged. However, it's best to keep in mind that the more complex the IEM, the higher the price. All things aside, while on one side IEMs appear to be the better option for gamers everywhere, there are a few cases where gamers find that a pair of IEMs actually has the opposite effect, and they end up choosing the traditional headphones or earbuds alternatively. This happens due to the concept of sound being subjective and different people having different sized ears and an overall fit. While some people might be pleasantly surprised after using their first pair of IEMs and can't help but wonder why did they not use these in the first place, there will be a lot of people who'd prefer to stick with the traditional and trusty over-ears, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Whatever the case is, we would love to know the kind of user you are and your detailed experience with IEMs. Do you prefer a pair of earbuds, over-ear headphones, or IEMs when you're playing video games? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.